Welcome to my Ratio 8 coffee maker review. With the Ratio 8 coffee maker, you're not just investing in a machine, you're embracing a philosophy of coffee brewing that merges precise engineering with artisan sensibility. The Ratio 8 stands apart in a crowded market by offering a unique blend of advanced technology, premium materials, and intuitive design, all aimed at delivering a consistently exceptional cup of coffee with minimal effort on your part. At the heart of the Ratio 8 coffee maker is its precision, die-cast aluminum body, which not only gives the machine a substantial, durable feel, but also ensures stability and thermal efficiency throughout the brewing process. The attention to detail is evident in every component. The water tank is crafted from BPA-free polymer, maintaining the purity of your water and, by extension, your coffee. The internal supply lines are made from hand-blown borosilicate glass, carefully chosen for its ability to preserve flavor and withstand repeated use without degradation. One of the standout features of the Ratio 8 coffee machine is its powerful heating element, which is designed to rapidly bring water to the optimal brewing temperature, right around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike many conventional coffee makers that fluctuate in temperature, the Ratio 8 maintains this ideal range throughout extraction. This consistency is critical for unlocking the full spectrum of your coffee's flavors, from delicate floral notes to deeper chocolate undertones. The stainless steel spiral shower head ensures even water distribution across the coffee grounds, a step that mimics the controlled pour of a skilled barista and promotes uniform extraction. One thing that's often brought up in Ratio 8 coffee maker reviews is that the brewing capacity of the Ratio 8 is pretty generous for such a compact machine, allowing you to make up to 40 ounces, 8 5-ounce cups, in a single cycle. This makes it equally suited for solo coffee aficionados and those who entertain guests. The machine's automated sequence, bloom, brew, and ready, guides you through the process with quiet confidence. The bloom cycle in particular is a testament to the machine's commitment to quality. It allows the coffee to degas and the grounds to expand, setting the stage for a more balanced and flavorful extraction. When it comes to carafes, the Ratio 8 coffee brewer offers flexibility to suit your preferences. The original version comes with a hand-blown borosilicate glass carafe, prized for its clarity and resistance to thermal shock. This carafe is not only visually striking, but also ensures that your coffee's flavor remains untainted by metallic or plastic elements. For those who prioritize heat retention, the Ratio 8 thermal set includes a double-wall stainless steel thermal carafe and is assembled in the USA. This option keeps your coffee hot for extended periods without the need for a warming plate, which can compromise flavor over time. Unlike the typical cheap plastic coffee maker, the Ratio 8 coffee maker is also designed with aesthetics in mind. With the Thermal Carafe Edition, you can choose from a range of finishes, including 3 hardwood options, allowing the machine to complement any kitchen or coffee nook. The tactile experience is enhanced by the machine's weight, the smooth action of the controls, and the satisfying click of components coming together. As any Ratio 8 coffee maker review will tell you, ease of use is a definite hallmark of the Ratio 8. The removable power cord, easy-to-clean components, and simple one-button operation mean that you can enjoy the complexity of a pour-over with none of the fuss. The included silicone heat lid helps maintain temperature in the carafe, while the ceramic catcher in the thermal carafe model provides a convenient resting place for the dripper after brewing. The thoughtful design extends to every accessory, ensuring that your coffee-making process is as enjoyable as the cup itself. With a 5-year warranty, the Ratio 8 reflects a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Whether you're exploring single-origin beans or brewing a classic blend, this coffee maker provides a platform that respects your ingredients and rewards your curiosity. Every morning, you'll look forward to the ritual, knowing that the Ratio 8 will deliver a cup that's as beautiful as it is delicious. And with that said, thank you very much for tuning in to my Ratio 8 coffee maker review. I really hope it was helpful.